Super looking forward to what we get. He's back there in the fog, heading back to our first spot. This is where I'd love to start, I think, tomorrow. Prefishing, Lake Nockamixon, getting ready for our tournament. First one on the board. So I've got one in the boat. Elijah missed a giant. Saw the thing jumping from about 100 yards and hustled over there. Didn't get there in time. Broke him off at the net. Dude was stoked and bummed all at the same time.
Save just day-to-day living. Staying one step ahead of the system. If you don't want to piss all over ya. And the law would be some sucker there to say I told you so and so with 7 to 10 for your food stamps. And if you buy sports, catch your kids, you'll have to make other plans to fill up that pipe. If you sit down with fire, just don't have it overnight.
So we made a run. Nothing was happening once the sun got high over at the 3-mile run launch, and they had killed all the weeds. They're here today spraying the weeds on this side. But the one thing that this side of the lake has that 3-mile run doesn't have as much is access to good laydowns near deep water. And that's where the big ones are. So let's try to see what we can do. Oh yeah?
Yep.
Tell me when you want me to turn it on.
It's already been on. It's not even fair.
I'm faster than Elijah. Pretty uneventful practice day, to be honest. Handful of small fish. Eli lost one of the biggest fish I think either of us have ever seen, bass-wise. I think we made the decision to go back to the haycock, fish the part of the lake that we're familiar with. I did pretty good my first practice day at 3 Mile, but it just wasn't working today and it was getting hammered. There was already a ton of boats there, so I think we're gonna end up down here. It's a little more our speed. Line's in. Let's go. Beautiful morning on Lake Nockamixon. Now we just gotta start catching. I know there's big ones around. We just gotta get them to come play, right? All aboard the struggle bus. Me and E, we've got 2 fish between us. I got a 14-inch smallmouth. He got a 5-inch baby bass.
What?
Baby bass?
Yep.
Baby bass. I caught that one fish because I sucked, didn't record it. It's too busy, you know, catching fish or not catching fish as the case may be. Making a move. Gonna try to find something. Gotta make some magic. Let's go. Of course, I didn't remember to get the catch on camera, but got a fish. He's at least weighable, measurable. Not a big one, but gets me towards the limit. At a long, quiet afternoon. It is almost noon. We've got just about an hour and 15 minutes left in the tournament. I just need one more fish to get my limit. I'd be happy with that. So I caught a bluegill, for what that's worth. still haven't gotten my third bass. Limit's 3 on this lake today. Seems like that's going to be a little bit of a struggle.
I went back to an old like purple rubber worm. Back when I was a kid, we used to use these and slam them.
Yep.
You remember?
Yeah.
The purple worm was in?
Yep.
Like with the glitter?
Yeah, man, that's the way you got to do it sometimes.
You know what I mean? Like, go back where you started. So don't overthink it, right?
We're all supposed to be having fun, right?
Oh, yeah.
12:50. 10 minutes left. Still in search of that last fish. Eli's over there doing the damn thing. Same thing as Dad is. Trying to get one last fish in the boat. Let's see what we can do. That's it. That's all she wrote. 2 fish. Tough day out on Lake Nockamixon. Eli can vouch for that.
Right.
Good news is we didn't skunk. Right?
Right.
There's tough days and there's tough days. This is not an easy place to fish, so take our lumps, learn from them. Hey E,
Yeah.
what'd we do today?
We fished on Lake Nockamixon for a tournament.
Which tournament?
The Nockamixon one.
Kayak Anglers of Eastern PA?
Yeah, yeah.
What'd you just find?
Found a bone, and it's weird. It's not like a toy bone, it's like an actual bone.
Show the camera, you're like 4 miles away. That's probably too close, but that's weird, huh?
Yeah. The view's so smooth though.
It's because it's a bone, bro. All right. Well, how'd you do today?
I did, you know. I got a 5-inch bass. Very proud of that.
Baby bass, do 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 do. Baby bass, do 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 do. And how'd I do?
You did actually pretty good.
I didn't do that good. I didn't catch a limit, but
Yeah.
anyway, we had a blast. That's what matters.
Yes.
And thank you for doing this with me. I love being able to do these with you, buddy.
Me too.